it's located at.
Hi and welcome. Today I want to show you an application that I have made with AI or different AIs. We go to the site that is app.munksvan.com, like that. And yeah, I wanted to show you the Pro tier subscription, what you can do in one app. It's this Universal Market Scanner app. Right now, because I'm not signed in and not the Pro user, so I had to sign in first. And you sign in with continue with Google to sign in, and I've already have a user that I'm using for test purposes here. So I can show you how it would be for you, but not really. You have to go that way. So I sign in, and then when I have to refresh, I think no, I don't have to, but still I cannot access Universal Market Scanner. But if I try, I will get like that it's locked. So I have to upgrade to Pro, and then I can go upgrade to Pro, and you can actually get free for 7 days trial, no credit card required, so you don't have to use any card or something. So that's what I do. And now when we go back to the application, let's see. Here you see that we can access the Universal Market Scanner, and this application is for getting the top gainers or top losers. So Scanner actually goes and uses your favorites, and you can add favorites, and it will for every minute it will check and see which one of your favorites performed the best, or which gained the most in 1 minute or 5 minutes. And you can also turn on sound, so when a stock moves fast and goes to the top, you get the sound, and also you will get the symbol read to you. Quite annoying, but you can do it. And also you can, and if you mark this one here, or click on it, or click this one, the row, it will appear in this technical analysis. So I can just push this one, and it will appear, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, something. It's a little bit slow. So here you can see it, and you can all of these, like in the application, you can expand and zoom and stuff to see. But now it didn't Let's see, where is it? Something is not totally working here. Okay, here. Okay. 1 minute is maybe it's not showing because it's close to the market. So not too close, but yeah, anyway, you can see here yeah, the 5 minute, 5-day chart. Yeah, that's it for before the market. There are no change. Market opens in 1 hour. So I have to continue the video in 1 hour. But meanwhile, you saw that we had only one stock ticker here. You can go to the forum or the community, and here everyone that is joined can share their symbols. So here, just for an example, I have some symbols just for demonstration purpose. And I just hit the import these 29. And it says that I have imported them. Yeah, and they are now populated in my favorites. So when I go back to the scanner, it populates this live opportunities. And yeah, when the market opens, it will go through those and put them there in the top gainers and top losers. That's pretty much it. There is a help section that explains more in detail how the scanner works. So I go there now. And down here you have, let's see.
So we are back, and the market should be open right now. So we will see what happens. It will take 1 minute for the 1 minute data to be available. Yeah, 1 minute is a long time. Let's see. Yeah, now we got the winners, and we can turn on the mic to see the top gainers. You can see, get some sound. I don't know if it will transfer either. So, yes. Let's see. If I change here, something will happen. No, nothing. Anyway, I was trying to show you the help center where you can get some information about all the parts of the application. Well, most of the parts anyway, and you can go into each section and see the details on how things is or should be working. But if you don't find it there in the bottom right corner, you will find the support center where you can put in some text and choose a category to get some help or report a bug, a feature request, or a billing question, or how do I do stuff or other. And this will be sent to my open claw that's called MunkSvan, and it will process it and contact me to verify, and you will get, hopefully in reasonable time, you will get a response here in my tickets, but right now we don't have any tickets. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I will come back with more videos later, but I want to say that the application is not financial advice, and you have to